Good morning everyone. In this video we are going to make discussion about unit test second. So let us start with the fill-ups. The first one is a wooden barrier was placed dash the road. So most of you have written here between, but instead the actual answer is across. Across means, for example, if someone is sitting between two things, then we'll say between. Clear? So if one thing is placed between the two others, so then also it will be said between. But see, for example, this is a road and these are two sides, and a barrier was placed to block the road, to obstruct it, so that the traffic flow might be choked. Okay, so this is joining the two sides, so that's why it will be called across. Second, so the correct key is across. They admired him dash his courage. Admire means praised for, and here also with the admire verb we are going to use for the praise. Clear? So whenever we are using any preposition, it will be in the will consider it in regard to the verb. कि verb के साथ आकर what is the meaning of, which meaning we want to convey. So according to that we will join. So here see, the police got in by breaking dash the door. By breaking down means smashed. Say means smash कर देना, collapse कर देना. But on the contrary, for the relations we use break up. Clear? So breaking down means to smash. We will have to adhere, we will have to follow the sense. Next, we invested our money dash new industries. Invested, what is the verb? Invested on means spent on, to spend the money. So whether it is money on building new industries, we invested our money on share market, so whatever the reason. So if we are going to spend our money on building something for some purpose, so it will be invested on. Clear? Next, I mistook that woman for a maid. Mistook for means गलत समझ लेना, गलती लग जाना किसी को, by mistake, so it will be mistook for. So now in the next question number 5, we will have to firstly identify which verb we are going to use. Just have a glance. So in the second line we will come to know about the keyword, that is informed. So informed is a second form of the verb. Now you will come to know that past tense you are going to use. So here in the first one, a reporter called. So past tense we will use past indefinite. Called on Thomas Edison one afternoon. So now see, one finite verb is already given, called. So second one will be not interviewed, will be to interview. Infinitive it will be. Clear? Him, to substitute for the lead in manufacture of storage batteries that the scientist was looking for or looked for, that he was investing or he invested. Clear? So both are correct. Edison informed a man that he had made, वो already कर चुका था, the thing that he has already done, for that we will use past perfect. Clear? Had made experiments but none of them worked. Clear? So this is how we are going to make use of verb. Now this is the turn of sentences. Question number 6. Now see the first one. The swimmer did not succeed, he made every effort. तो उसने तो हर एक एफर्ट की, तो उसे तो जीतना चाहिए था. तो सिचुएशन इज कॉन्ट्ररी, एंड फॉर द कॉन्ट्ररी सिचुएशंस वी मेक यूज ऑफ although, yet, though and however. Some of the students have used although but they haven't used yet, then it is wrong. Some of them have used though but along with they have used yet, then also wrong. Clear? So these three we can use for the opposition, in the case of opposition or contrary situation. So it will be, although the swimmer made every effort, yet he did not succeed. Though the swimmer made every effort, he did not succeed. Like this. I will tell you a secret, you must not divulge. Divulge means you are not going to make it rumor. Clear? So that you will not tell, which you will not tell. So देखो, द होल सेंटेंस वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द सीक्रेट. तो ऐसे सेंटेंसेस में जिसमें दोनों सेंटेंसेस में एक ही चीज़ की बात हो रही हो, तो वी विल मेक यूज ऑफ adjective clause, adjective which or that we may use. Clear? So I will tell you a secret that you must not divulge. It हम कट कर देंगे because instead of writing it की बजाय we have already used which and that. Everybody opposed Edison, however he did not disregarded their opinion. अब आपको एक चीज़ नहीं समझ में आती कि we will have to firstly अंडरस्टैंड द सेंस. तो अब देखो कॉन्ट्ररी सिचुएशन है. एवरीबडी पोस्ट एडिसन, एडिसन को सभी ने पोस्ट किया, पर उनको तो उनकी रिस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए थी क्योंकि हर कोई इसका पोस्ट कर रहा है, बट हाउएवर फिर भी उसने उनको डिसरिगार्ड किया. तो येट ऑल्दो ये वाले कंजंक्शन आने थे. तो आई थिंक इन द 30% स्टूडेंट्स ओनली हार्डली दे हैव रिटन इट करेक्टली. तो यह आपका आंसर होना था. ऑल्दो एवरीबडी पोस्ट एडिसन येट ही डिसरिगार्डेड देयर ओपिनियन. दो एवरीबडी अपोज्ड एडिसन कॉमा ही डिसरेट, दो के साथ येट नहीं आना, ठीक है. ही डिसरिगार्डेड देयर ओपिनियन. नेक्स्ट, ही पास द एग्जामिनेशन, ही वॉन अ स्कॉलरशिप. तो ये दो तरीके से बन सकता है. पास करने के बाद, आफ्टर ही गॉट द स्कॉलरशिप, जहाँ फिर करने के लिए क्योंकि उसने किया इसलिए उसे मिली. तो यहाँ पे आप बिकॉज, सिंस भी यूज़ कर सकते हो, हैविंग पास्ट पार्टिसिपल क्लॉज भी यूज़ कर सकते थे, आफ्टर पासिंग मीन्स प्रपोजिशनल क्लॉज और एडवर्बियल क्लॉज बना सकते थे. तो ये आपका आना था हैविंग पास द एग्जामिनेशन, एग्जामिनेशन पास करने के का लिए रीज़न यू वॉन द स्कॉलरशिप. आफ्टर पासिंग द एग्जामिनेशन कॉमा ही वॉन अ स्कॉलरशिप. क्लियर? He passed the examination. He won a scholarship because he passed the examination. Like this. Now, this is your last part. We write the following sentences according to the instructions. They could hardly see each other. It was very dark. तो यहाँ आपने यूज़ करना था so that. We have done these type of sentences before exam. I gave you, I think, at least 10 examples. So it will be, it was so I could hardly see each other, they could hardly see each other. It was very dark. It was so dark that they could hardly see each other. Few of you haven't written hardly, then also it is wrong because the sentence doesn't convey its full meaning. तो इसके लिए अगर आपने hardly नहीं लिखा हुआ then also it is wrong. So next one is, it is a difficult task. I cannot do it. Use to. ये sentences भी हमने किए थे before the exams. I think I gave you 7 to 8 examples. I cannot do it. It is a difficult task. It is a too difficult task for me. For me क्योंकि subject दिया हुआ है. For me to do it. Clear? Or it is a too difficult task to be done by me. ठीक है. बाय मी वो पैसिव फॉर्म आ जाएगी, वो भी मैंने करेक्ट किया. दिस इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू द सेंस. लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, विल सक्सीड, यू मस्ट वर्क हार्ड अनलेस. तो ये सेंटेंसेस भी हमने किए थे कंडीशनल इफ एंड अनलेस वाले. तो दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी इजी एंड मोस्ट ऑफ यू हैव डन इट करेक्टली. तो जिनकी मिस्टेक हुई है, दे हैव ओनली फॉरगॉट द पिवटल पॉइंट, दैट इज अनलेस कंटेन्स नॉट. मैंने आपको बहुत अच्छे से समझाया था कि वेन एवर यू आर गोइंग टू राइट दीज टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंसेस, जस्ट कीप वन थिंग इन माइंड दैट अनलेस इटसेल्फ कंटेन्स नॉट. तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग इफ नॉट, इसका मतलब है अनलेस इज इक्वल टू इफ नॉट. तो जी आपका आना था यू विल सक्सीड, यू मस्ट वर्क हार्ड अनलेस यू वर्क हार्ड. अगर आप इफ यू डोंट वर्क हार्ड, इसका मतलब है अगर आप मेहनत नहीं करते तो नहीं पास होगे. तो यू विल नॉट सक्सीड, जहाँ भी नॉट आना था. तो आपने यहाँ पे नॉट नहीं लिखा हुआ, सो दैट्स वाई कईयों ने अनलेस के साथ नॉट लिख दिया, देन ऑल्सो इट इज रॉन्ग. क्लियर? तो द करेक्ट आंसर इज अनलेस यू मस्ट. हम गलत कर देंगे क्योंकि अनलेस एक कंडीशन है जिसका मतलब मस्ट है. क्लियर? सो अनलेस यू वर्क हार्ड कॉमा यू विल नॉट, you won't succeed. This is also correct. Clear? You want, W-O-N-T. This one is the negative of will not. Clear? You want, succeed. Thank you.